My name's Joe and we are taking a closer look at the Marshall from King. Now this shoe is going to keep your foot nice and cool out there on the trail, made with this really nice 3D mesh, incredibly breathable all the way around. The lacing system works with these overlays and this little cord right there to really give you that customized fit, keep you secure in there. Get that padded King toe protection up front to protect your feet out there on the trail. The footbed's going to be removable as well. You got a really nice cushioning there. Now the rubber on the outsole, super sticky. Look at that aggressive tread pattern, made to handle just about anything the trail throws at you, and it's got a crazy amount of flex. Now you can take control of the Wild West and the Wild East, North South. Tame it all with the Marshall. It's from King.